My name is Stark Winter. I'm a BFA theater with an emphasis in design and production, with an emphasis in lighting, and I am a third year at Millikin. So when I was in high school, I sort of fell into theater and I fell into doing lighting and tech and all backstage stuff, but lighting was the thing that really spoke to me. And I happened to find Millikin partway through my college search, and the major immediately jumped out to me as having a very, very strong program. And after my first visit, meeting with a couple of professors, Jana and Matt specifically, I realized that this was the ideal program for me.
I think that one of the things that we do really well is giving those students that hands-on experience from day one. And we talk about performance learning, giving them those opportunities from the moment they step in the door. They are going to be able to design 2 fully produced productions in their time here, which is something that's unique about Millikin. So they will work with faculty directors, they will work with faculty designers, they will work on a main stage production. We've got one going up this week actually that a student is designing. So the other thing I think we do really well is it's not just focused in your one area, right? So my lighting students will take classes in the costume shop, they'll have to work in the costume shop, they'll have to work in the scenic studio. We're creating this kind of well-rounded student so that when they get out, they have a lot to offer to any job that they step into, which I think is a real asset to them and the program that we have here.
Behind me, this is She Loves Me. We're in Kirkland Fine Arts Center, and this is our largest musical of our main stage season. So this is as you can see, quite a large scale production. We've got designers working in every single possible field. We've got a very large set of shops, and every student, it's sort of an all hands on deck type of thing. So I'm one of the assistant lighting designers for this production, and this is giving me a chance to develop my skills in terms of design, paperwork, drafting, and every single step of the process. The lighting designer, Matt Albrecht, is one of my professors, and he's really giving me a chance to develop my skills before my full design next semester. When I came here, I heard about performance learning, and I've been thinking about everything through that lens, sort of seeing how it measured up, and it absolutely did. I've gotten to work on a number of main stage shows while I've been here, at least 1 or 2 every single semester. In some cases, I've gotten to work on a number of productions that take place off main stage, a professional design opportunity that was provided through Matt Albrecht at Worlds of Fun in Kansas City. I got the chance to design a full stage production for their Halloween Haunt series, and I mean that was incredible. It let me practice everything that I've been learning in my courses and everything that I've been learning in terms of my artistry and how to work with others, how to collaborate. And it's truly a shining example of everything that this program can provide.